Hello friends, I am architect Sonu Rai from Green Landscape and Architectural Design Studio, Glad Studio, and today I am here with another video tutorial in Photoshop. So today I am going to tell you how you will import Google Images into Photoshop and modifying it, and then later on into AutoCAD to work upon it. So I am going to any Google address here and I am typing Reva, and suppose this is my site here. So I'm going to right click on here and I will go to this measure distance and I will measure this distance. This is my start point. You can move anywhere onto your site, and now I am clicking here and it is 70.13 meter. Then again I am going to click here and 194 meter. Then again here, and this is some inclined angle here, and now I am going to finish this. So this is my site. So now I will take it to Photoshop, and now I will use my shortcut command on our laptop, that is print screen. So you will just click print screen on your laptop or computer, and it's done. Now I am going to my Photoshop and I am going to open a new page, and I'm going to create a page of any size, and now I will paste it here, Control V, and now our Google Images is into Photoshop. Now we can crop it, and now it's done, and you can enhance image size also from here. If there is not much clarity, you can enhance this image size. So I'm making it 200. So there will be a lot of clarity in image and pixelate will reduce. So now I'm going to save it as on my desktop, and I'm going to save it as Google image site, and I will save it as JPG format here, and I will make it this size only. And now we will go to our desktop, and I will search for that Google image site. It is here. Now you can directly bring it to Photoshop page here, and now you can click once, and now you can make it to any size. In beginning you will use ortho command here, and now it's pasted here. So now we have to scale it to desired shape. So what we'll do, I will go to my unit. First I will set to meter, unit setup, and for this you will make it decimal here and precision 0.0, and now I will select meters here, and okay, and now I will set limits, and limit specify lower left corner 0 0. I will keep it same, and now it will ask limit specify upper right corner. That you can learn in AutoCAD tutorial. So I am going to enter 3000 meter by comma 4000, and now we will enter Z for zoom, enter, and now after that all enter. So this you can learn in AutoCAD. So now it is unit is set into meter unit. So now we will scale it. So I am going to make these two from here to here, it is 200 meter. So I will scale it, and I will select this image. Now I will type scale, and now it will ask base point. So I am going to click here my base point, and I will remove this ortho, make it turn off. Now it is asking scale factor, copy or reference, so I am going to select reference or enter. Again I will select my base point and I will select the end point. Now I will drag to suppose 200 meter, and now I will enter 200. So it is scaled to 200 meter, and now it is on real site up to a scale, so you can check by entering our dimension. You can take the dimension here. So it is, you have to select dim align, DAL, and it is almost 200. So a little bit this difference here because the image is not clear. Then I am going to zoom it, and now it is almost 200 meters. So this was the tutorial how you will import your real Google images into Photoshop, and you will crop it and then you will import into AutoCAD. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.